the planes, straight line in a space in the three-dimensional geometry, and the planes, the second major topic. And in the planes, what we are going to cover? Something very nice introduction for a plane. Then in the topic plane, we are going to cover equation of a plane in the normal form, equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector and passing through a given point, equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points, intercept form of the equation of a plane, and the most important is plane passing through the intersection of two given planes. This is a very nice topic. Okay. Then coplanarity of two lines, angle between two planes, distance of a point from a plane. It can be a shortest distance, it can be a point for the perpendicular distance, it can be an image of a point in a plane. So we are going to cover many topics in these topics. Okay, these major topics now. And the last is angle between a line and a plane. So all these topics for the straight line in a space and for a plane we are going to cover in this very interesting chapter.